Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a spicy shrimp scampi with mussels. Now, this is an accidental recipe of mine. I was googling how to make shrimp scampi, and then when I started making it, I messed up. And in the middle of me messing up, I just started like doing whatever I wanted. And the outcome is this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if I don't like how a piece looks. I don't care if it's good or not. I'm not keeping it. Time to chop this onion up. Yeah! Nice old clean sink. I find this to be the easiest way to clean shrimp because the nasty poops or veins, whatever you want to call it, always get stuck on your fingers and stuff while you're cleaning it. It seems to always take me forever. So I came to the conclusion, I must not be doing it right. Change it up.
Years later.
This is a timely process, but it's worth it. Because I swear I can taste all this stuff I'm taking out. If I don't take it out, I swear I can taste it. I swear I can. Can nobody tell me otherwise. I can taste it. And it doesn't taste good, it tastes bitter. So I get all of that out. Poop, vein, whatever. I get all of that out. This raw shrimp smells good now. Whew. This is a fancy meal. Try not to pick up too much onion and what have you. Shrimp is so easy to overcook. The last thing you want is chewy shrimp. You want the shrimp to be tender. You want to be able to bite through the shrimp. You don't want to be chewing on it like it's gum. I guarantee you don't. A lot of my recipes made me love a certain thing I don't like. Here's a little tiny one. Oh, amazing. That is bomb. Oh. might have to eye it. But another way I do this is a Sharpie and a toothpick. In a minute, you guys will see exactly what I mean. So, guess I can pick the middle part. Boom. Straight in there. So, you guys can see where it's wet. I'm about to mark it with a Sharpie. You guys see the dot? So to reduce this by 2/3, that basically means 2/3 of the liquid is evaporated. So that's about leaving 1/3 left. It will be down on the tip. Yeah, bubble butt, bubble 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 butt, bubble butt. Let's just call this 2/3 reduced. The toothpick was a dub in this case because the hand I'm using is very wide and it was just unevenly spread. But I can tell just by looking at it that there was a good bit of 2/3 reduction at least. Pasta water is starting to boil, so
Meanwhile,
it's about time to put the angel hair pasta in here. So, take the mussels out. It's time to drain the pasta. That is so good. That is delicious. So, there we have it. Time to make this pretty with some parsley and some lemon wedges. So we're all done. It came out amazing. Tastes delicious. It's a favorite of mine. I don't make it much, but I love it when I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below any of your thoughts. And share this video with anybody and everybody. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.